If the universe has laws, why do single quantum outcomes still feel like pure coin flips? In the energy filament theory, randomness isn't just we don't know the hidden details. It's the visible result of three things acting together: structured limits in coherent envelopes, measurement backunc action from coupling closure memory, and background tension noise amplified into a record. Start with structure. Anything that propagates does so as a coherent envelope in the energy sea. And one envelope can't be both ultra-tight in position and ultra-pure in direction at the same time. If you squeeze a wave packet to nail down where it is, you necessarily mix more scales and orientations to build that steep structure. So momentum direction spreads. If you collimate direction to be very clean, you lengthen and flatten the envelope. And position spreads. That trait isn't a flaw in your gear, it's the ergonomics of relay propagation. Next comes coupling. A measurement is not reading a label, it is coupling plus closure plus memory. If you want a sharper answer, you must couple harder to an apparatus that can amplify and store a macroscopic record. Harder coupling rewrites the local tension landscape more strongly, so you can't pretend your question didn't affect the mechanism that produces the answer. Finally, background. The energy sea is never perfectly still. Small, uncontrollable tension ripples exist everywhere, and closure is a sensitive snap that can be tipped by tiny perturbations. Then the amplifier chain magnifies that tiny tip into a loud, irreversible-looking fact. Put those together and you get the real pattern quantum labs actually show. One shot is unpredictable, but the distribution is stable under the same preparation and geometry. Think popcorn. You can set the heat and oil and predict the popping rate, but you can't predict which kernel pops at which milliseconds. The luck has a skeleton. Your setup sets the bias curve, while microscopic noise decides the exact moment of each snap. And none of this needs superluminal messaging. Coordination is shared constraint, not a signal. Closure and memory writing are local processes. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.